Radhe Radhe everyone, welcome back to our channel Future Florence. I hope you all are doing well, and by the mercy of God, I am also well here. So yeah, again after a long time I just meet with you, and actually today I find something very different, so I just want to just express with you. So what is that? Actually in this evening I am not scrolling, but suddenly I just saw one video, and that I feel I just correlate with it. Okay, actually it's related a video about making a video, like posting a video on YouTube. So the thing is that the content are there, it's okay, like you not find views or subscription in your YouTube channel, but it's okay, and I also correlate with it. And actually like starting this YouTube channel, there is not any kind of purpose to earn a good subscriber or views or likes, any kind of thing. I just wanted that, I think that in this way I make myself consistent. So that's why I just try to post a regular video, at least for a 5 minute, but at least for every day. But yeah, I am not regular, but anyhow just I try to make my presence here. So the same thing, actually my motto is that on that video also it will says that like it's okay, like if you start your YouTube channel, then you have a kind of pressure. Okay, like at that time you think that it's okay, like no one watch your channel or video, so it's okay. But at that time you are very consistent about your journey, so that is really good. And nowadays also, like we also find so many persons, they are just making a video, like they are waking up early in the morning and they just start like Budam Murta, and they just posting their videos on YouTube channel. So it's okay, some gain a good fame and views or subscription on that channel, but some they are just starting. But in this way sometime what happen, their channel is not that much famous, but it's okay, you not gain that much views, but you sorry, but you make your lifestyle very good. Like in this way you just gain a habit to wake up early in the morning, do work in a very good at a very at a their good time, like you make your lifestyle good, like you do the exercise regularly. So it's okay, it is externally it is not good for like not you not find that it is beneficial to me, but internally you feel lots of changes in you. Like if I talk about myself, so sometimes I also feel that it's only just wasting of time. But all in all, I don't know from where I just heard, but all in all, like in my childhood, one these quotes it stuck in my mind, like कुछ ना मिले तो तजुर्बा तो नया होगा. So that's the thing, it's okay that like you gain no any kind of validation, but you gain a experience. Like in this way I know how to edit the channel, how to post it, and how make the description. At least I am aware about all these kind of things, so it's really very beneficial for me, and I love this journey as well. And yeah, that's all I just want to say you, that it's okay, like if you have a YouTube channel and you just get demotivated for it, but it's okay, you feel it, like it is it working for me. In this way I am gaining my confidence. Like initially, like all in all the YouTubers, when you saw their initial days, so the same videos or the same action they are doing, but they consistently they do their hard work, so day by day they increasing their productivity and their confidence. So in this way, so that's why today he is here there. So that is only the thing, and it's okay. And also the benefit is that that time no one can see you at that time. It's okay, like no any kind of views are there. That time your mind says that it's okay, whatever you have, like right now I am here, so I just come with this kind of mentality. It's okay, no one can watch my video, so I not come with any kind of preparation. Like I right now I am sitting and I just start my video, and just I start making the videos. So that's the thing. So that time we have not any kind of pressure that about a validation about anything. So that is very good for you. So not demotivate yourself, just make it consistent whatever you are preparing for. And also practice makes a man perfect. If we consistently come here, or like whatever the thing, like you start teaching, so while teaching you heard your own voice. Sometime what happened na, like mean hate our voice. So but when we just and in day-to-day life, generally we have not these kind of opportunity that we heard, like we heard our voice. So like while you are teaching on YouTube channel, and after that you just go for editing, so in this way you heard your voice, okay, at that time in a very close way. So that time you just ratify, like we just start ratifying ourselves, like we just improving ourselves, like at which point I make, I have to change, I make changes, and how at which time we have a calm voice, or in a very like earlier I also like in one video I just know that like during interview it is very important that you have to make a eye contact. So it is in my mind, and earlier when I make my videos, that time I just make my eyes up, like I see the upper level, like I just watch my wall, watch the wall, like anything that not it comes in my mind, but it is not correct. Like it's okay, like if you have nothing in your mind, or you just think, you just make a eye contact. So this, while making these videos nowadays, I am just trying to make eye contact with my camera, with myself, and I just see myself. So that is the thing. And I also just say you just to start your channel, and you also focus whatever the qualities or whatever the skills you have, like a dancing and singing. So you also one day you also give your best. And yeah, that's the thing. And also I just I have also my there are 3 YouTube channels I have. One is for that is like I post my student life while I am enjoying. So that time like it is not a public channel, it's my private, it's my own channel. I just make it for only for creating a memory. So that is for this. And second one is this English channel. So I just think that in this way I just speak anything, so I make myself better. And the last one is that I just make it very recently, that is my own teaching channel. So the purpose is that I just not go in front of the board, I just write all the thing on my copy and pen. So at least I just make those video for myself. What happened actually with myself, like if I like right now, I think it's happened with all the students, like whatever they are study right now. So that time it becomes very crystal clear for me, but due to lack of revision, I can't able to recall it again, and again it becomes very tough for me. So the intention to post my teaching lecture on that channel. So at least after some time I just understand myself in my own style. So that time it becomes very easier to understand anything. So there after that no need to go to watch many lectures are there. because I already watch so many lectures, and then after I just make a single notes and I write it down all the things whatever I gain from the different lectures. So that is also very beneficial. Right now there is no any kind of like 2 or 3 views are there, so at least here at this time I have no pressure that, and I also not give too much effort like in editing, like whatever I just start making a videos, no any kind of editing and nothing. I just do nothing. I just make it intentionally for myself, and if it is beneficial for others then it's also very good. So that's the thing that I know. And yeah, today is very, if I talk about my today, so it's very good day for me, but the morning it is not that much good because yeah, I just want to wake up early in the morning at exact time, but unfortunately it's quite hard for me. Before night I am self determined and I am self motivated too much, but when the alarm was ring I just shut it down and re-sleep again. So at that time I feel bad, but really nowadays I just make my self discipline, but I am also not give my 100%. It's only a 40% that I done. Like I just quit scrolling or watching another videos. So yeah, I also feel it drain my memory and all the energy, because while watching we also give lots of effort to watch that thing, and nowadays I feel very light. I feel myself like what is going on. It's okay that sometime bad or good. Like recently I just angry with my mother, and at that time I just say many things at that time, but after that I feel it. At that time, if I pause some time or I just think first, then it not becomes like I just not say you anything. I just say you that just feel yourself every time. And once in a video I also listen it, like while saying anything, while communicating with anyone, you just deliberately, intentionally you just take a pause. Yeah, pause, it means that not for a 1 minute 2 minute pause. It means that like I am saying, and you can't imagine that I am taking a pause, like it's a very short time of interval, like a 5 second, 4 second, 10 second of a pause. So like sometimes we feel blank, or at that time we just using a fillers like so instead of using fillers, if we take a pause, so that time instantly our mind gave the instruction, okay, here you should use this. So pause is very much important during a conversation, okay. And it's okay like you not speak with 2x speed. It's okay to speak with normally, okay. Because and the benefit is that people takes you very seriously, okay. Then you feel that there is a value in your words, okay. People take it very seriously. So these all things that I learned today, and it was very good day for me. And like recently there is a ceremony, home like home entering ceremony, like it's a Gharbaz puja in my home. So in like right now also construction work is going on, but one thing I realize, and every day I just try to watch that video, and like if you have opportunity to spend the time, quality time with your family members, so make it very memorable, okay. Because and so that at last you not regret and you not think that okay, I also want to do something more. So yeah, like right, I also feel that I also want to do something more, but even though I am getting very tired, but I enjoy a lot, and when I see all those memories, it gives me immense happiness in my heart, Okay, so that's the thing, that if life gives you opportunities, so enjoy it as much as you can. Okay, so that's all about me for today. Hope you all are, and sorry, so sorry for that. So that's all about for today. Hope you all are very good in your life and very happy and healthy in your life. So that's all about by my side. Signing off, Neha Anand. Keep smiling, be happy. Radhe Radhe.